What's up mga brad, this is Gianna back again for another custom video. And today's custom mga brad is very special. And we all heard the tragic news about Kobe and his daughter Gigi. They both died in a helicopter crash. A very sad news not just in sports but for everybody. And I'm a Kobe fan since day one. He's one of the reasons why I picked up a basketball. And today's custom is dedicated to the Black Mamba, Kobe Bryant, and you will always be remembered. Rest in peace.
The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Any day could've been dead. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear to God it would've owed me. Everything you ever told me. Everything you ever showed me. I forgot it. Caused me drama. I used to stay on one. Now I changed on them. The highs with the lows. That's life these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Hit the highs with the lows. That's like these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. I just saw Jizzy got a plane. Guess that's what he meant when he said nothing was the same. Lately I've been grounded, energizing off the pain. Some things gon' change, I'm just soaking up the game. Through the mud, out the rain.
What's up again mga brad, this is Gianna and I think we are done. This is the final look of the shoe, but wala pa na siya liston. So what we need to do is muatuta sa outlets later and mangitata og liston nga mo bagay ani. But first, atuasan na siya i-test nga gamit ang iyang old nga liston. So tara.
Do what I want, real, no front. All the way to the top. Highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy.
Kuya. So there you have it mga brad, the Kobe AD tribute, and hit that like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Mamba for life.
That's on me, ayy. World chained up, he on lockdown. He find God now.